Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock websites at work. This video is useful if you want to access a website that is blocked by a firewall at your workplace, but also to access a website that is geo-restricted or censored in your country. As you probably know, a lot of companies block access to certain websites, like Facebook or Twitter for example, to prevent employees from being distracted. Before I show you how to unblock websites at work, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button if you enjoy our content. This will mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how can you unblock a website at work? The short answer is ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet, or smart TV, and that allows you to change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. Imagine I would like to access Facebook, which is currently blocked at my workplace. As you can see, I don't have access to this website. My network administrator prevents me from accessing it. If I want to access it, what I need to do is use ExpressVPN to simulate a connection from somewhere else. ExpressVPN will not only allow me to access this website, but it will protect my internet traffic and keep my identity private. First, click here. You can either choose between these few recommended locations or access all locations by clicking here. There are a lot of countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Japan, just to name a few. These are all countries from which you can simulate a connection. You don't have to choose a location in a different country. You may choose a location in your country. For some countries, you can even choose a specific city. In the US, for example, New York, Miami, Houston, Los Angeles, and so on. Simply select a location. ExpressVPN will then establish a connection to the fastest server available in this specific location. Let's use one of the recommended locations. The US, for example. I double-click. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done! I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. My IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in Washington. Let's refresh this page. And as you can see, I now have access to Facebook. I can now log in, check out my feed, chat with my friends, and so on. ExpressVPN not only helps me bypass the firewall set up by my employer, but it also fully encrypts my traffic, meaning the administrator of the network I use can no longer track what I do, what sites I visit, and so on. You don't need to keep ExpressVPN open like this at all times. You can minimize the app and even close it. As you can read here, ExpressVPN will stay connected in the background. Here we don't see the app anymore, but the VPN is still active. It will remain active until I press this button. Once you don't need to use a VPN anymore, you may deactivate it by pressing this button. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. As you saw, to unblock websites at work, you need ExpressVPN. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video. ExpressVPN is the best VPN to unblock websites. They have more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. You can use it on up to 5 devices simultaneously. Great speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, very effective to bypass firewalls and geo-blocks. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it costs only a few dollars per month. With our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. To summarize, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to simulate a connection from another location by replacing your IP address with the IP address of the VPN server. Doing this not only allows you to bypass the firewall set up by your employer, but also browse with greater privacy and anonymity. All you need to do is to select a location in this list and press this button. That's it. It is that simple. Please note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact the customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition, make this request within 30 days after sign-up. Otherwise, it will be too late. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as ExpressVPN comes with many other benefits. To bypass censorship, access geo-restricted websites, increase your security, avoid bandwidth throttling, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. Free VPNs are not very effective at unblocking websites. They're also unsecured and very slow. The worst part is that some of them can easily be detected by your network administrator. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using ExpressVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to unblock websites at work. Remember, with our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free, as well as a solid day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Another great VPN to unblock websites is CyberGhost VPN. CyberGhost is another high-quality VPN with over 8,000 servers in 91 countries. Let's give it a try. I turn ExpressVPN off. I select a country in CyberGhost. Let's select the US again. As you can see, there are plenty of countries available. I press this button. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. Let's refresh this page again. And as you can see, I still have access to Facebook. Just like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost is available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and so on. You can use it on up to 7 devices simultaneously. Very effective to bypass firewalls set up by your employer as well. So, if ExpressVPN is a bit too expensive for you, I recommend that you get CyberGhost instead, as it is more affordable. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/cyber or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of an 82% discount and 3 months free, so just $2.29 per month with a 3-year plan, great value for money. Please note that CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more than most other VPN providers. ExpressVPN and CyberGhost work great to unblock websites at work, but also to bypass censorship and access websites that are geo-restricted. As you probably know, a lot of websites, including some search engines, social networks and news websites, are blocked, either temporarily or permanently, in countries like Russia or Pakistan, for example. On the other hand, some websites are only accessible in certain countries. For example, Hulu is available in the US only. These are what we call geoblocks. Both ExpressVPN and CyberGhost can help you bypass censorship and access geo-restricted websites, in addition to accessing websites blocked by a firewall, at your workplace for example. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to unblock websites at work. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.